Dear children, today I will teach you since from the two prepositions. Since and from both denote the starting point of an action. Since also means starting point of action. From also means starting point of action. Hence, both since and from both preposition denote the starting point of an action. But both preposition used in different contexts. Okay, and there are differences. And when we write, when we speak, then we confuse that where we use since and where we use from. Now, today we will learn that where we use since and where we use from. Now, let's see. Since. When we use since. We use since when there is a starting point of an action which is still continued, that is still going on. Okay? When we use since which denote some action that is still going on, that is still continue, that is not finished. Okay? And it also express duration up to the present. What it express? It express duration up to the present and duration of an action which is unfinished. The action which is unfinished and it is going up to the present. Okay? But in the sense of from, when we use from, it is different from since. Why? Because from present the point of an action. Okay? Here it did not indicate that it is going on, that it is unfinished, it is still continued. In the case of from, it only suggests, it only indicate present of an action. Okay? Point of time. It from indicate point of time, but it did not indicate that the action is in continue. It did not indicate that it is unfinished. But in the case of since, what it denotes? It denotes the starting point of action that is still continue. But in the case of from, it is not continue. It just suggests the point of time. Okay? From is also used in the sense of motion, origin, cause, distance, time. Okay? Now we will see by the example. Let's see example. That where we use since. I have been teaching English since 2012. Now see, I have been teaching English since 2012. Here, what since denotes? What since indicates that I have been teaching. It means that the work which I had started, it is still in continue. It is not finished. I am still teaching. Therefore, here we use since. Now let's see more example. She has been working since 2015. Now, she has been working since 2015. Here, since indicates that she is still working. The work which she had started, but it is not finished. She is still working. Okay? Therefore, we use here since. Now, let's see more example. Let's see more example. He has been absent since Monday. Now see, he has been absent since Monday. Now what it here since suggests that he has been absent since Monday. It is denoting the point of time. Okay? But it denotes the point of time that is still continuing. It is clear? Now let's say example of from. Where we use from. From indicate the present the point of an action, point of time, motion, origin, distance, time and cause. Now see. He will be there from evening. He will be there from evening to night. Now see, he will be there from evening to night. Here from suggests what it indicates? It indicates point of time. Here it indicates point of that time. Therefore we use here from. Okay? In here we don't see that it indicating that the some was some action which is unfinished. But not is it here? No. What it indicate here? It indicate that point of time. Here from suggests the point of time. Therefore we use here from. Let's see more example. Mangoes are falling from the tree. Now see, mangoes are falling from the tree. Now here, from what it indicates? It indicates from motion. That mangoes are falling from the tree. Therefore here we use from. Let's see more example. He is suffering. He is suffering from fever. Now see, he is suffering from fever. Now here, from indicate, from suggest cows. Here from suggest cows, that he is suffering from fever. Why he is suffering? Then he is suffering from fever. Therefore, from is used also for cows. Now one thing you note that when we telling about future tense, then in future tense we do not use since. In future tense we use from. Okay.